Hello everyone, today I have a military model, and here you can see it's a US M1134 Stryker ATGM, and guess what? It's the muddy version, so it's weathered. What do we got here? Superb details, true authentic skill, rotatable turrets. That's a good thing. It's a 172 skill, modern ground power, and it's made by the brand. Can we see it? Dragon Armor. Do I have more models from Dragon Armor? Yes, sir, I do. You can look it up on my YouTube channel. Here we got the back, the logo from Dragon Armor, some information, and the barcode article number for the ones who are interested. Okay, let's open up the package. Back in the days, some of these models were made out of diecast, but I don't think they do that nowadays. But you never know. Yeah, it looks muddy. I like it. Let's put this here. It is very well packed. Protection in plastic. Put that here on the side. And then we can see there is a display case. No screws. I like that. Thank you very much, Dragon Armor. And we also have something right here. Some sort of instruction manual for the guns. Okay, so we have to do a little bit ourselves. Okay. Yeah, here we have some things we have to do ourselves. And those are not muddy. I hope it still looks good. Oh no, they are a little bit muddy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. By the way, if you like military models, a video is coming this Sunday where I show a lot of amazing military models, dioramas, etc. I was at the military museum in the Netherlands, the Bevrijdende Vleugels, and they had the most incredible dioramas and models I have ever seen in a museum. Oh my god, it feels pretty heavy. Rolling wheels, rolling muddy wheels. Yeah, this is all made of plastic. Yeah, it feels plastic. Maybe there is some part metal, or maybe it's just a lot of plastic, or maybe I'm just very weak and this is feeling very heavy. Does it have steering wheels? No, it does not have steering wheels. Superb details. I can confirm that. Look at the profile on the tires. Look at the base. It's a fantastic model. Yep. Side mirrors. Driver seat. And here's the hatch. Okay, that is probably right here. So we're going to fix that. And we have a rotating turns 360 degrees. Okay, let's see. I'm surprised by the rolling wheels. Normally you don't have that. Nah, well, I don't know. Mostly I buy tanks. Okay, I've got this right here. Dude, you have an instruction manual. Use it. Okay, we got so there is a machine gun and there are a couple of holes, and that goes right over there. Okay, so this goes right here. I think this has to be here. So I think I have to use a little bit of glue. Man, I'm not good at this. Okay, this is very simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we got these two. Okay, those are the doors for the back. but I only think there is room for one door. Is this a spare one? Oh. Oh. Ah, open door, closed door. Yeah. So, what is open and what is closed? Okay, so yeah. This is for the open door, and this is when you want to close the door. I'm going to close the door, or maybe open. I've got so many cool military models where I can make a very cool photo. Okay, let's see if I can. How is this? Open hatch. Closed. Okay, we're going to use open, yeah, because we can put a model inside. So I'm busy with the right one. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. So here you are. I'm going to put you right here. So we need this one for sure. Yeah. Oh, that's very easy. And then we got the machine gun. Definitely need the machine gun. What is this? What's this right here? This. I don't. That's supposed to be somewhere right here. See? Here. And that goes next to the. That goes right here. So, and do I have to glue that? Open. This is open. This is open. No. Okay, first I'm going to check how to put this on. Okay. I got three holes right here. I think you can see them, but I think I have to use 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And I've got 1, 2, 3. So I have to use this one. Oh man. Imagine if this was okay. No, there are different ways to do it. Yeah. I have to do it like this. Yeah, looks like it. But seriously, let's see, because I'm doing it like this. Yeah. And then this goes right here. Damn it. Almost breaking it. That's the reason I don't do model kits, because it's really frustrating. Okay, this is, voila. There we go. Okay, definitely need some glue for this. Right? Yeah. I'm going to get some glue. See me struggling. There we go. Little tiny bit of glue. So it's going to be there. So I only do this right here in this one, and I'm only going to do this one. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah, sorry. To dry it a little bit. Then we need the gun. We definitely need that machine gun. I have to say, it's very well detailed. There we go. It's perfect. Damn it. It's best to glue this also, because you're going to lose it. If I'm taking this outside for a photo, these are the first thing you will lose. So it's best to do it a little bit like this, yeah. So a little bit of glue. Just a tiny bit. There we go. And I'll move it a little bit like this. So a little bit upwards. I like that. Yeah. What do we have more? We got these antennas. One, two, three. And then we're going to use open door. Oh, damn it. It is very frustrating because see what's happening here? I'm breaking it right here and not on the place where I should break it. There we go. They don't tell you that on the manual. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Open door. And now the antennas. I hope the glue is still a little bit. Oh yeah, still a little glue. One that goes right here. Dragon did very well with those holes because it fits perfect. Most of the time with these kind of models, the holes are just too small or way too big, but these are perfect. And oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, damn it. There we go. Yep. Okay, so here it is. Beautiful Stryker. Can't wait to make some nice photos with it on the beach, where the sand is pretty much the same as this color right here. Yeah, it's very well done. And I think it also got some more potential for weathering or put some extra stuff on it. Yeah, I like it. I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. See you soon. Bye.